up with the new series of videos. The theme is going to be watermelon for the whole week. So I'll be posting different DIY videos to dress you up in the watermelon theme. So each day I'll be posting different things. So the first day is going to be DIY skirt, DIY chain and earrings, then DIY ribbon, DIY shoes, and also DIY crop top. So today I've got dressed up with the things I've made. So every day I'll be posting each part of it. Today's topic is going to be watermelon skirt, DIY watermelon skirt. So without delaying, let's get into the video. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Create with the DS. This plain white skirt has been converted into the watermelon skirt. First, we have to place a polythene cover or any base cover below on the floor before starting to work on this, because this makes the place really messy. Then I'm placing my white skirt on this. Now I'm going to tie it into parts. First, the belt is being tied. Then I'm tying it in the 3/4 length and near the bottom. Again, I'm taking crimson color of the acrylic paint. Now I'm going to mix the color inside a water bottle, a use and throw bottle. So I'm going to mix 60% of acrylic paint with 40% of water. Now I'm mixing it well. I have already made a hole on the cap, so I'm just placing it. You have to just pour the paint over the skirt and keep spreading it till the whole space of the skirt is filled up with paint. As you move on, you can start removing the threads which you have already tied up. The tie up is just to make the dripping effect on the skirt. I didn't wear a gloves, but I would prefer you people to wear a gloves while working on this. This takes a lot of time to work. You have to work patiently and keep spreading the paint here and there. And then you should be also careful that the bottom part should be filled with green. So the bottom part shouldn't get any red spots on it. I kept cleaning the polythene cover in the space where I have to paint green on the skirt. So keep cleaning the place, be sure that the red paint is not on the bottom part of the skirt. And handle the skirt upside down so that the red doesn't spread down. It will start dripping if you hold it the other side. After painting all the sides, you can remove the threads and hold the skirt upside down and let it dry all night. I kept it on a table for drying. Even while drying, I kept it upside down so that the dripping doesn't happen on the other opposite side. So the next morning it was completely dry and this is how it looked. Next, I'm doing the same procedure for green paint, that is 60% of green paint and 40% of water. Then I'll be mixing it and using it on the cloth. Now you can keep the skirt downwards and work on it. It is the same procedure of spreading the paint. This will take a little less time because the green quantity is really less.
Again, I've kept it for drying for one whole night. This is how the skirt looks after it dries up. Next, I'm applying black paint. That is, I'm going to apply circles of black paint over the skirt. I'm applying it on an alternative basis with equal spacing as possible. So finally, we are done.
I hope that everyone have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Create with Dee.